Microsoft Xbox Mini Classic. All the classic Xbox games in one small package. Full disclosure, Microsoft sent me one of their Xbox Classic Minis that they're preparing to release soon. Now, I'm under an NDA and I'm not allowed to show you the software that goes into this. I can't play any games on it, I can't show it to you in action. But that's not what we do on this channel. We take a look at what's inside the electronics. And I've read through the agreement and there's nothing in there about showing you what's inside. So you, the viewer, you get a nice little treat. Hopefully I don't get in trouble for it, but don't worry about me. Let's do it. Take a look inside. Interesting, really interesting. A full potato. Maybe they're thinking about releasing Xbox 360 games on here as well. I don't know. Maybe a fully fleshed media center. I really don't know.